Well, this question says that Jess has some money. After spending $100 on 3 notebooks and 7 pens, she is short of $4 if she wants to buy another notebook. However, if she buys one more pen, she will have $6 left. So how much money does she have? Alright, firstly, we draw a model as such. 3 notebook plus 7 pens is equivalent to $100. Obviously, you can actually draw individuals block to represent each of the notebook and each of the pen. But this is a shortcut way of doing it. 3 notebooks and 7 pens cost $100. Alright, and then we're told that if she want to buy another notebook as such, then she will be short of $4, which means to say that her total money is $4 shorter than the second model. Okay, that's how we draw and represent her total money by using this arrow here. Okay, now if instead she were to buy one more pen instead, okay, one more pen instead, then she will have $6 left. This is where we put the $6. Alright, that means to say that the pen costs lesser than the notebook, obviously. Alright, so now how do we go about solving the problem? It says how much money does she have? We've got to find out what is this total money that she had. Okay, so to do that, looking at this part of the model, what you can see here is this. Alright, this is the pen and this is the notebook, and the $6 here and $4 here. By taking this 6 plus 4, which is 10, then make up to be the difference between the cost of the pen and the notebook. Alright, which is $10. Okay, so now you know that the cost of buying one notebook is equal to the cost of buying a pen plus $10. Alright, so, or in other words, the notebook costs $10 more than a pen, or the notebook is equivalent to a pen plus $10. Alright, notebook is a pen plus $10. Now we want to make use of this information and substitute it into the model to find the answer. Alright, okay, so one notebook is equal to one pen plus $10. Then looking at this model here, 3 notebook. Okay, 3 notebook will then be 3 pens plus $30 in equivalence. So we convert it into 3 pens plus $30. Alright, now we have the whole model in pens, so it's easier for comparisons. Then, but what is the total money? By looking at this model here straight away, firstly, we know that this 10 pens plus $30, okay, is equivalent to this $100. So 10 pens is $100 minus $30, which is $70. Therefore, 1 pen will be 70 divided by 10, which is $7. So that's how we get to find the cost of 1 pen. Okay, if 1 pen costs $7, so this pen here also costs $7. Alright, that's how we figure out a gap here. After that, we're supposed to find her total money. Alright, total money is very straightforward. Over from here to here is $100. We have to add in this $7 and $6 that make the total money. Okay, so we have to do is take $100 plus $13. $13 come from here. 7 plus 6. Alright, that makes $113. Hence, her total money at first was $113. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.